Hoping that everybody's doing well today. Can we just check how my sound is, and let's get into the market and see what we can find today. I'm hoping my sound is good, guys. I see somebody just texted me saying they cannot hear anything. Hoping it's much better now. Trying to find a good point of entry for this setup here. Okay. I see Bears wants us to take a look at the NASDAQ and the US 30. Let's see what we've got on the US 30. Pretty good bullish momentum here. And then, with the US 30, it is bullish, of course. Now, the beauty will be, where would you want to get this move going up with it? Let's just scroll down into the hourly. On the daily, of course, so depending on which time frame you'll be looking at it from, it will determine just how far you'd want to take it. So I'm going to find a good point of entry. Just scroll down even lower. Over on the daily, we see a good push up. So now you'd want to get in probably at these levels here, but now it's already gone. And if you didn't get in on time, you'd have probably gotten wicked on these candles here. So yeah, can't really find a good area to enter from on a bullish move. So I don't think I'd play around it until I see something clear. And then our Nasdaq, it actually just went into our zone just now, which is a zone that we picked out last week, I think. Yeah, it just went into the zone now, so expecting some good sells from those levels. So we'll see how this plays off. Still very valid. Okay. Let's see what else. Let's take a look at gold for a bit. Gold is still playing in this area here, which is a point I'm really not interested in. I'd really want to see it either go to these levels at the top here, or go to these bottom ones. This one failed, so it's definitely out of the bias that we had. Yeah, so with gold, we just gonna have to wait for it to get into our beautiful areas, so either of these two. So until then, we will be playing pretty much far from it. And then if you are a risk taker, you'll probably play in this range that has been on now, just waiting for it to take some liquidity either from the bottom side going up, bottom side going up, or from the top side and then go all the way down. So that's a pretty good area if you'd want to trade it in this range here. And then I see somebody wants us to look at the EA. So gold is just going to maintain our bias, just wait for it to hit these levels and then just take it from there. So I'm just going to leave the alerts here as well, and then we'll see how they go from here. Add an alert here. Yeah, let's check the EA and just see what we've got on that one. I don't see much happening with most of the pairs today. Yeah. Okay, on the daily, you can see this beautiful move up. So I'll probably expect something along these ranges. When price does drop to these levels, going for an up move, of course, extremely bearish. So let's just drop down to the lower time frame and see what we've got. So this will be an overall move I'd expect to take, and probably looking at this candle right here at the bottom, looking at something similar to this all the way up into those levels there. This is from the daily view, by the way, so whatever happens in here, you don't really care about it. And then if you want to look at it from a closer point of view, still a good bearish bullish move. You probably want to, let's see which one you take. Let's go drop a bit lower, see how it's looking. Remember, overall we are bullish, so you don't want to get hit with a very short-term move. So you probably look at these areas here. You look at these areas here. This one you'd also look at, but don't really focus on. So you'd look at potential trade in these areas here, still going up, and then something along these lines. Just drop into the shorter time frame and just see if you can't get something cleaner, something with a better stop loss range, and just take it from there. So this is a potential trade you'd look at, focusing on the hourly and then looking at the overall bullish move. So yep, and then of course you'd also look into entering these areas here. You'd want to confirm these trades, of course. So this is what you would look at, and with me, I'd wait for this bigger move on the hourly. So we'll leave it like that, and something like that. So you'd want to see something similar to this on the EA. And that's actually about it. But I see the last one does want us to look at GJ. But that's about it from this view. I don't really see much happening today. But maybe if I continue just searching and looking deeper, I would find some pretty good positions. And then we'll just take it from there. And there's a beautiful area here. Let's take in here. Okay. With this, I'll probably look at a good sell pretty soon, actually. Just following that massive momentum move there. And look at it, taking it from this view here. Yeah, I'll see a good sell coming from these areas. And you probably tighten it and look at this area here. Yep, I'd look at a sell, which would look a little something like that. Yep. So I'd look at something similar to that, and of course you need to confirm. So just wait for price to tap into this area, and then just look at the how price action is looking, and then just drop it from there. And I'll also just try to make this stop loss range a bit smaller, because 18 is a bit too big. So you can either scroll down all the way to the just use that candle as well. That'll be much better. And then it'll look something like that, which should be good. Yeah, that's a good stop loss range to work with. So we should expect something like this to happen later in the day, and we just wait for those beautiful moves. That's about it. Let's see what the day has in store for us. Check out our free channel and check out our site and Bootcamp. And yeah, happy trading, guys.